Have the mines back here? Meeting at the mines here. Morning. Oh, sorry, babies. They're catching that beautiful morning sun. It actually feels warm with the sun right here. Hi, Tuxie. Hi, Tuxie 3. Hello, everybody. Oops, sorry, babies. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, everybody. Come on, Tuxie. Come over here for the love. Good morning here from Faribault, Minnesota. Come on, Tuxie. Hi, Misty. It is a really nice morning. Hi, Felix. Hi, buddy. I thought you were going to get adopted this weekend. Yes, Connie, we posted that picture of Ronnie just for you. Hi, everybody. Morning.